Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Despite. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are coming to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Okay, don't forget, just tap on the subscribe button and then like this video. After watching this video, kindly drop your comment or your view about this video. So in this particular video, I'm going to teach you how you can go about creating this Thank God It's Friday flyer. All right, so thank God it's Friday. So I'm going to teach you how you can go about creating this with your Android phone, your smartphone. That is for the Android users. Okay, so stay tuned and follow me closely as I teach you how to design this particular flyer. So this is your Pixellab application. All right, this is your Pixellab application. So let me clear everything. So default. Okay, so this is the interface of the Pixellab application. So what we are going to do is go to the fourth icon here. So we are going to select our background. So you go to where we have color. All right, so you tap on the color. We have gradient. Don't select that. Select the color, and then you scroll to where we have white. Okay, then you tap on the tick mark. So when you are done, we have to bring our image. So you tap on the middle icon here. Then you go to where we have import. Okay, so you tap on import, then you select the image that you're going to use. So I'm going to use this particular image for my design. All right, so I'm going to enlarge it a little bit and see. Okay, this is okay for me. Okay, I'm okay with this. So when you're done, you scroll to where we have relative position, then you position your work wall. Then you go to these two layers here to lock it so that it doesn't disturb you. So this is where you lock it so that it doesn't disturb you when you are doing other stuffs. Okay, so when you are done, you go to where we have the shape. So we are still on the third icon. You tap on shape. So we are still going to use this. So you just minimize it a little bit. Okay, so this is okay. So I'm going to enlarge it to meet the other end. Then I'll scroll downwards to so I'm going to use this color. So I'll position it here. Okay, good. Tick. All right, so when I'm done, I'm going to now bring in my text. Okay, so I'll go to the second icon here, which is the A. Then I go to text. Okay, so you could see we have new text here. So I'll go to edit. So I'm going to edit it. So now I'll clear everything. Now I'm going to write my Friday first. So Friday is here. So I'm going to enlarge it. So you use the small balls to enlarge it. Okay, so I'm going to enlarge it a little bit. So this is okay. So let me change the font. Let me change the font for my Friday before I use the relative position to position it well. So let me use this. Okay, let me check. Okay, let me use this. So I'm going to scroll to where we have color. So I'm going to use this tick. So I'll go to where we have relative position. Okay, so we are going to use the second one here to position it. Hope you saw the effect. Okay, so now what else are we going to do? So you go to new text. So you tap on the plus sign, go to edit, you clear everything. Then we are going to write thank God is. We've already written the Friday, so we are just going to write thank God it's. Okay, so we are still going to use the relative position. So you scroll, relative position, use the second one. Good. Then you tap on the tick mark. Okay, good. So what we are going to do is change the color to the red, or then we change the font. So I'm going to use Montserrat. So you can actually use your normal font as well. Okay, you can use your normal font. Okay, good. I'm still going to position it well. Good. So what next? I'm going to copy the same text. So you hit on copy, then it will duplicate the whole thing for you. Hope you've seen what I mean. So I'm going to tap on edit, and then I'll edit duplicated text. So I'll delete everything. Now I'm going to write some little info. So you can just write this is what I'm going to write. So setting goals to just motivate my audience. Okay, so this Friday flyer, it's just basically to, okay, wait, okay, so it's just to wish you your people just a great day. Okay, so they have they went through a tiring day, so you have to use this to just calm them down, and also use it to inform them that you are actually a graphic designer. So in case of any graphic design needs, they can hit you up, then you get it done. So we will scroll to align. So you use the alignment. Okay, then you tap on the second one, that's the center alignment. Good. So I'm going to minimize it and then position it here. Good. So this is okay. Tick. Then I'll scroll to relative position and position it well. Okay, so this is okay. So what I'm going to do next is go to the middle icon and then select shape. So I'm okay with this. So I'm going to position it here. And then you see where we have the radius. So you increase the radius a little bit. So let me first change the color so that we see, okay, this is okay. So you tap on the tick mark. Okay, so you see where we have to back. So tap on that. Then you could notice we have some writings there. So we are going to change the color so that it's going to be visible. Good. So let's position this shape well. Relative position, center. Good. So we are done with this. What else are we supposed to add? We need to inform them. They have to know our details so that in case they get some business details or someone see our flyer somewhere, the person can maybe hit us up and then give us design deals. We get it done, then we get our money. You get it? So you have to provide your details, your contact details, so that the person can reach out to you anytime. Okay, so now what are we going to write? We're going to write our name. So I can write IG, so the person can hit me up on my IG. So this is it. So let me change the color to white. So let me minimize it and position it here. Good. So I'm going to copy 2 of the same text, position it here, copy and position it here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the second one, I'll edit it and put my number there so that the person can get my number or get access to me. Okay, so please provide your number. If you go and provide my number and people call me, I'll charge them and I'll take my money. So use the position to just make sure it's what aligned in order. Okay, so Kofi wouldn't be taller than Ama. Okay, everything should be in alignment. So we are going to edit the third one. So what do you do? What can you do? So I can brand, I can design, and oh god, I can design and I can print as well. So anything you want me to do, I'll do it for you. So you scroll to where we have position, then you position it well. Okay, don't forget. So this is okay. So what are we left with? So we are left with our small icons. All right, so you go to the third one, then you go to import. Okay, go to import. So I'm going to select this. So I'll minimize it. And position it here. So you scroll to, you see where we have the to back. If you tap on it, it will go backward. Hope you've seen it. So I'm going to duplicate it. So copy and then minimize it here. Okay. So I'll go to import and then bring the last text as well. Good. So I'm going to minimize this also. Put it here. No, the despite isn't showing, so to back, duplicate again, then position it here. Gracias, we are done. So how are you going to save your work? So you see this icon at the top there, like printing something. So the save as project means you are going to save it on Pixellab. So anytime you want to re-edit it, then you come and edit it. So you name your product, then that is all. Then you see where we have save as image. You tap on it, save as image. Then you go to where we have custom. Make sure you select the ultra, okay, so that your design will have high quality. Then when you are done, then you tap on save to gallery. So I already have it, so I won't save it again. So thank you very much. If this is the first time you are joining, or if this video has been helpful to you, you really love this video, kindly do your best and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please subscribe now. Thank you very much. This is Despite out.